Meaning of gestalt.
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 Gestalt. Gestalt is a German word that refers to an organized whole or pattern. In psychology, the concept of gestalt describes the human mind's tendency to perceive and understand objects or events as a unified whole, rather than as individual parts. This theory emphasizes the importance of context and the subjective perception of an individual. It suggests that the whole is greater than the sum of its parts. Understanding the gestalt concept can help individuals better comprehend how they perceive and interpret the world around them.